We have actually seen a lot of acceptance of that approach with the 40 gig solution that was developed as part of the 40 gig project, 40 gig, 100 gig project, where we had 4 parallel multi-mode fibers. That has been discussed as we look at future with 400 gig in terms of developing new technologies. And it's even being discussed right now in regards with the 100 gig project, because 100 gig is a 4 by 25 process. So there is a certain logic and a certain market acceptance, if you will, already of the approach. Now, Ethernet doesn't have a 25 gig rate, so that would be one area where consensus would need to be built. Now, as we look to the future and consider a 400 gig solution, perhaps 8 by 50 would be a solution. And then we would need to revisit that decision once again as do we need a 50 gig Ethernet to enable breakout. Honestly, I think the approach of developing technology that can be used either as a high-speed solution or a high-density solution is very powerful for them in a market where cost is a very big consideration. If I can help to accelerate the adoption of the higher speed through the shared volume with a lower speed, higher density application, why wouldn't I do that? There are ramifications, though. One has to think about what this will mean to Ethernet. You know, we just broke the 10x increase. Now one could argue you're looking at 25, 40, 50. It really is going to become an industry question in terms of does it make sense, and is there consensus in the industry that we should do it?